Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynley and today I'll be sharing with you what I got. I got 7 iPhone cases. They are from the company called iceSword and they are for iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro. They are translucent with matte finish, so I'm really excited to find out how they look like and how they feel. So let's unbox them now. Wow! Super slim, stylish choice, multi-protective, 100% original product. Ooh, this is for iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro, and then the next one. iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17. Okay, I got 4 cases for my iPhone 17 Pro, 3 cases for the iPhone 17. Wait, let's start with the iPhone 17 Pro. Wow, I got hot pink, light pink, orange that matches my phone color, and a clear one. I'm excited. By the way, they are MagSafe compatible and they should have strong magnets on the back. I currently have a clear one here also. It's thicker, I think. Let me see. Yeah, that looks thicker. So we'll try to compare them. Well, I'm really curious about the weight. So my old case is 41 grams and this one is 38 grams. Okay. This one feels soft and I think there's more grip on this one. This one doesn't have that kind of feel, but at least it got this thing here so it won't be dropped. Oh, cool. It feels nice. It's not slippery. It feels slim. And how about the buttons? Yeah, that feels good. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's really strong. Because there are some cases that if you put this, it falls right away. Oh wow, that's really strong. And how about this one? It's the charger. Okay. Oh, that's good. I really like how this feels. I'm gonna keep using this one. As you can see the color of my phone. Oh, the difference with this one is, as you can see, it covers the thing here near the cameras. Unlike this one, there's a really big rectangle hole in there. So this is cool. It's also raised here so it protects the camera. Everything's perfectly aligned. Yes. Wow. Okay. Oh, it even has holes in here. Unlike the other case that I have, it doesn't. Oh, okay. And this feels like it's more accessible. Unlike this one, it felt so deep. Let's try the other ones. Orange. Wow, that's perfect. Awesome. Cool. Pink ones. Let me see. Let me just read this one quick. Minimalist design. iceSword is a group of engineers embracing minimalist aesthetics, focusing on quality and simplicity. We are dedicated to enrich your life with love and diversity. They just want to express their genuine gratitude. They're saying minimalist, so I can see that. There's no fancy brand names all over here. So that's kind of cool. Okay, this is the pink one. Oh, I never thought it would look okay with my orange one, but I guess because this part is covered and this is translucent, then it looks nice. I think so. So this part is hard, but this one is silicone and it's flexible, so it's easy to get it in and out. Hot pink! Wow. That's really bright. Hi. Okay. I think that's cute. What do you think? Yes. I love them all. They feel premium. Yes. So here are my iPhone 17 Pro cases. I really love them. Thank you so much. Next one, let's open the cases for the iPhone 17. This is the current case of my husband. Oh, I can already see some fingerprints here. Now let's weigh this old one. It's really light, 28 grams. I am guessing this will be a little heavier because it's MagSafe compatible. Oh, dark green. It's kind of cool. 38 grams, like what I said, because it's MagSafe compatible. But I think he won't feel the difference because it's really light. Okay, that's cool. Yes, awesome. Testing out the buttons, they feel great. Now I'm realizing this one. I think I know now why there are two holes in here. So you can put some lanyard, so you can use it with other accessories, and I think that's clever. Like, that's the dark one. It's not bad. That's really nice. And blue. Yes, it's his favorite color. Let's try. All right, that looks great. He'll love this one. Again, it feels nice. I'm pretty sure he's gonna think this is really cool. And the last one, it's the black one. Now we can make a really close comparison because they're both the same. They're color black, right? Okay, this is shinier, his old one. Well, this one is matte, so I like this one. There you go. Awesome. All I can say is they really feel nice, and it says that it protects your phone up to 13 feet drop. That protects your phone in case you're clumsy. If you're interested in these products and if you want to learn more about them, please check my description down below for the link. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you again in my next video. Bye.